Hello everyone, Pace of Rail Fanning here. I got some bonus footage for you guys. We got a train, CSX train. We got a CSX train over there. Here at the Columbus Avenue crossing, number 1 crossing, we got an NS train stopped here on this track. Yeah, as you can see, the train just stopped. I think it's giving priority to another train. As you guys can see, this crossing has a general signals type 2 bell. As you can see, the bell keeps ringing at this crossing no matter what train the track's on. We have NEG LED gate lights. As you can see, this gate light right here is now functioning. It doesn't work sometimes. We have SateTran dotted LEDs. As you guys can see, the train is stopped at this crossing. Traffic is blocked at the Columbus Avenue crossing. There's a train down there at the Columbus Avenue number 3 crossing down there. That train's moving. Here at the Columbus Avenue number 1 crossing, we had a train stopped here. As you guys can see, it's side no, yeah, it's dead stop. It's coming out of Norfolk Southern's yard. See, the Columbus Avenue number 3 crossing just cleared out. There's nothing here on the CSX. Nothing coming here on the CSX. Got Norfolk Southern stopped here. They're gonna have to wait until so. We do have a warning sticker here letting rail crews know there's an overhead power line above it. Warning people about it. As you can see, the gate light just turned back on. Yeah, it's probably now functioning. Yeah, I've heard General Signals type 2 bells before, mostly in Wyandotte, Michigan, and the Trenton area. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys later.